Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are going to show you the room today. So I guess we're focused on the baby's room, like the little area of his, but we kind of live in the same room together.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So the whole purpose of this, we did like a small space apartment overall, but we didn't show our bedroom because I was pregnant at the time. Now he's here and his space is actually being utilized. So we live in a 1-bedroom apartment and we just wanted to show how we fit a nursery into our 1-bedroom. Just a heads up, there are no windows in our room. So we have all the lights on, but it can get a little bit grainy and dark. We didn't want to put any spotlights or anything, softbox lights in there or anything, because we just want to kind of show how it actually is like. It's dark, but it works. So come on in, we'll show you how we did it. So this side of the room is completely our bed. This is where we sleep. And then right on the other side is his crib. When he was just born, we had him in a little bassinet next to us, but after a month, we moved him 10 feet.
It was hard. It's so hard to move him.
To over there. So this is his area. It's his crib. He sleeps there every night. What we did here is I hung. This was much easier when he was a newborn because his clothes was much shorter and smaller. So right now it kind of looks a little awkward because he's bigger. But this is where I hang things that don't necessarily fold well, like his overalls and like these kind of things. So this is where we hang them. He used to be cute when I was little. Now it's like long and obnoxious. Up there where the elephants are in the basket, it's his books and then his like more winter clothes and other necessities that we might need, but they're just a little bit big on him. Just a little bit of an easier access. His towels are hung right here, so it's really easy just to grab them when it's time for his bath. This is his little crib. His snuggle me's in there. Snuggle me's are awesome. This is how we organize his clothes. Basically, this part right here is where all of his stuff is that he's currently wearing. So this basket right here, that's all the swaddles. I just roll them up, and it's a nice way to store them. This is his carriers. These are his burp cloths and like washcloths. They're right over here. This basket, I organized his onesies, so like the tops are right here. In the bottom basket, right here, that's more pants and overalls. And then the bottom is socks, hats, and bibs. Over here we have his sound machine. This is our monitor. Although we live in a 1-bedroom apartment, we still need a monitor because we actually have very like soundproof walls, right? So it's kind of hard to hear him when he wakes up.
Yeah. When he drops like his pacifier, we can like see right away that he dropped it. So we're like, oh, let's go get it before he wakes up and starts crying. So it's like a lifesaver in a way.
So we had this, what's it called, drawer?
Yeah, there's a drawer. Those are dressers. That's a dresser.
We had this dresser before he was born. We use it as a diaper changing station. So all of our clothes is still in here. The only thing that's his technically is the things above. So this is how I organize his diapers for easy access. Diapers, wipes, lotions. He has more lotions and like baby oil over there. And then this is his changing pad. Also in the middle of the night, so we don't have to turn on all the lights. I put like, what are they called?
Like fairy lights? Fire? I don't know.
I put fairy lights into this vase. So we just like click the button, it turns on. It's a soft light and it looks kind of cool. So we could still use like Decor. That's adulty for the changing station. So it's not completely like kiddie in here. It still feels like our room. Yeah. And then over here is just our closet. I'm gonna show you. It's nothing very, I don't know.
Clean.
No, it's actually not that bad because we're moving. So like half of the stuff is out, but it's just a closet. The room did not come with this curtain. I put it up here just to kind of like close off the space because otherwise you just see a bunch of like busyness in there.
Yeah. And we put another little dresser in there for like all the camera gear and stuff. So we store like little like kind of things we don't use every day right away in there.
You should show them how you did your TV.
Oh yeah.
Can I say something about it?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm
Yep.
So I don't like when the living room is focused around TV. I really, really don't like that. So, and our living room is also our dining room. So I did not want to have to put furniture in a certain way just because the TV was on the wall. So we took the TV out, and it used to be on this stand over here.
Xbox.
It used to be on this stand over here. But then we moved it because we needed a diaper changing station, and I didn't want a TV right next to his crib. So we moved it up there.
I totally forgot why we moved it.
Yeah.
Nice.
So we moved it up there. It's a little sketchy.
It's scary at first because like our walls aren't like normal sheetrock, so like I was drilling it and it's actually just like metal rebars that are like this thin, and it's like, oh my goodness, I didn't know if it was gonna hold. So like the first day we really avoided it. We just kind of like watched it to see if it was starting to come out or anything. But it's been holding there for like probably like 5 months now. Yeah, it's nice and it's safe space. It's just a little messy with the cords, but
Yeah.
not gonna put it that high next time though. It's a little annoying.
Don't worry about it. We're moving, so the whole
Yeah.
safety-proof, baby-proof part, I know it's not the safest thing
Yeah.
once he's like crawling or walking, but we're gonna be out of here by the time he does that.
Yep.
He's not mobile yet. Yeah, he's not mobile yet. Mwah.
He just likes to swim.
Guys, look at his little butt.
Oh, you look at it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We just wanted to show that having a child and living in a one-bedroom apartment is completely doable. It does help that we do have higher ceilings, so the space looks a little bit bigger and there doesn't feel as like clustered. But
Yep.
I mean, his stuff takes over pretty much the entire apartment.
Half the apartment is
And
baby stuff now.
that's okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's how we organize things. If you have any questions, further questions, let me know. The one tip I could give, like right now, is the boxes I have currently that you saw I put the clothes into. I would get bigger ones. I would get ones that actually fill out the entire cabinet, because the bigger he gets, the bigger his clothes get, which I did not think about. So
Because he grew twice as fast in his clothing.
yeah, so he's a really big dude. So I would just get boxes that are like maxed out to the space that you use, and then just fold the clothes in that way. Just because those boxes are a little too small for his clothes right now.
IKEA. We got it at IKEA, by the way. Half of our stuff is from IKEA.
Yeah, because it's like cheap furniture. You don't
and
need
Wayfair.
anything super fancy.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah, it's
just
good.
use boxes to organize things, and you will be fine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, take care. Bye.
Bye.
What? Okay. 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 Yeah.
He's like, guys, put me to sleep.
Bye, Lucia.
Sorry.